Hello everyone, once again this is Famous Beats again. Welcome to another tutorial again. Today we'll be learning how to master keyframe, how to use keyframe in CapCut. So let's dive in. So let me start a new project again. So let me click import here, and then I want to try hold on, I'm trying to look for a. So let's say I want to work with this background here. The icon I'll be working. Let me reduce this. Let me adjust it a little bit so that this logo will pop out. So let me reduce the exposure. You can see here so that the logo will pop out a little bit. So you can see. So this is the logo I'll be working on. So let's assume I want to add keyframe to this particular object here. So you can see I can, on your left angle here, you see this add keyframe. Let me make this thing smaller. So let me add keyframe. So watch me as I do. Take it to this one. I want to make it bigger now. Just like you are animating this, I want to animate this object from small to big. See, you can see. So let's say I want to also take it from this direction to this place too. I'll add keyframe here and come to this place and take it down here. So you can see how it's gonna see, very simple. So I want to, from here, I want it to go to this place. For me, I want to go to this place again. Okay, you can see so it's gonna take, you see. So that is what this keyframe does to your work. So you can see from small to big, from this direction to, I want to make it smaller. I'll click here again. I want to make it smaller again. You can see how it's gonna. You can see it's too fast. Let me take. I want it to be slow, not to be too fast. You can see. So that's what this keyframe does to a video, to a clip. So thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more.